What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Jag Sports Breaks. Today is Thursday, April 8th, 2021. We're doing our 2021 Bowman Baseball First Edition one box break. Pick your team number 2. Number 2. Who's got who in number 2? We got, team names are up there top left for everybody, but I'll go alphabetically. Connor D with the Brewers, Craig S. Angels, Dan B. Marlins Cardinals, Derek C. Astros, Eric G. Nationals, Fred R. Mets, Garrick R. Red Sox, Royals, Dodgers, Greg H. Reds, Indians, and the Blue Jays, Jason R. with the Braves and Padres, Joe F. Yankees, Jonathan B. Cubs Mariners, Mark J. Athletics, Mark N. D-backs Rockies, Ruben O. White Sox Giants, Sean F. with the Pirates, Steve L. Rays and Rangers, and Tom G with the Orioles, Tigers, Twins, Phils. Alright. Good luck again, everybody. One box, all card chip, and just a reminder, no hit list credit for this break because it's tough. Tough. Putting up 3 more one box breaks up on the site, most likely tonight. So we'll be doing those next week. I have all 3 boxes in hand. So I'll be ready to go with those. Alright, let's try to get an auto. Let's get an auto. I had a nice die cut in the first one. A couple oranges. Here we go. Look at that. We didn't pull any Dominguez last time. Now right there. Boom, Dominguez. Right there for the Yanks. Keone Cavaco, Bishop, Adams, Coart, Ronnie Mauricio, Terang, Vital, Zach Fian. I don't think we had one all base pack in that whole box either. Now that I see an all base pack. Dominguez. Where are my parallels at? Come on. Bryson Stott, Welker, Nick Gonzalez, Freeman, Rosario, Choi, Hancock, Jeter Downs, Hosey, Brendan Davis. There we go. I was getting scared. I was like, please don't give me like a no box. Christopher Morel, Grayson Rodriguez, Jonathan India's doing well. How about him, right? There's an Aaron Sabato, nice. Westberg, George Kirby, another Dominguez. O'Neal Cruz, Shea Langoliers, and Logan Davidson for the A's. First parallel for the Athletics. Oakland, Mark J. Got Dominguez. 2 Dominguez already. And Sabato's the next first Bowman. '27th overall. He was that late. I remember the Yankees were talking about getting him just for the pop when I was watching the draft. Wander. Michael Talia, Trevor Larnach, Isaiah Green, Bishop, Diaz, Alvarez, Forrest Whitley, Perdomo, and White Sox, Yolbert Sanchez. Nice first Bowman there for the White Sox. Rubino, White Sox. Again? You mean yesterday? I saw one where he got hit in the head and he bounced up and still went to first and he still played. Was that yesterday? Don't tell me you got hit in the head. Okay. But he's hit like 500. He's doing well. Alright. Jose Salas, Gunnar Henderson, Brandon Davis, Freeman, Micah Bell, that's a nice one. Drew Waters, Bailey, Nick York, Julio Rodriguez, and we're killing it with this guy. Nice one, Steve. Maximo Acosta. Big name there. Rangers seem to always have the prospects. It's all good, Mark. I was like, damn, this guy's got bad luck. Yeah, who hit him? What's the Pirates pitcher? Cool? Chad Cool? He like dropped pretty quick when he hit him. Like he was upset about it. Sometimes it just gets away, you know. It's unfortunate. Trent DeVoe, Davidson. There's a blaze. There we go. Who's got those Red Sox? Garrick. Mania, Rosario, Walker, Paguero, Gorman, Antonio Gomez, and Wander to 150 for the Rays. Steve, nice. Nice parallel Wander. Number 1 prospect. If the Rays ever want to use him, any day now, Rays. There's Blaze. What a name. Blaze Jordan. Did I call him Blaze Alexander? I feel like I keep calling him Blaze Alexander by accident. I'm just thinking it. The guy in the D-backs. Terrible, Tom. Terrible. Ivan Johnson. Sanchez. Nicoladolo. Abrams. Feliciano. Simeon Woodard Richardson. First one to him. Dylan Dingler. Talia. Matt Manning. And Nolan Gorman. I'm just glad the Niners never traded for him. I'm a Niners fan. So I don't feel like dealing with that right now. Jeremy De La Rosa. Volpe. Royce Lewis, Nick Lofton, Mania, Dahlquist, Langoliers. There's Pete Crow, Kirby, and Ed Howard. The content we didn't know we needed until we had it. Jeremy Pena, Alexander Ramirez, Ryan Velade, Jeter Downs, Asa Lacy, Oswald Peraza, Maximo, James Beard, Mackenzie Gore. We got blue coming up. First, there we go. Jeremy De La Rosa. Nice one to Nats. 34/150. Blue first Bowman. Nice. Very, very nice. Nationals, Eric. Going. Got Torkelson, first one in this box. Anthony Volpe, Larnick, Marsh, Garrett Mitchell, Freeman, Rosario, Heston, Gomez. We got a Rocky, Eddie Diaz, Mark N. First Bowman. I like anything like first Bowman parallel wise because you just never know. You just never know. If it's your squad, you just never know. Cuba 2017 as a free agent. Big Spence. Alright, keep it going. There's Jaron Duran, Clayton Beater, Patrick Bailey, Manoa, Miller, Riley Green, Ms. Bobby Witt, Josiah Gray, Nick York. We got a Bat. We got a Yankee. We got Oswald Peraza. Joe F. Nice one. Come on, auto. I want to see an auto. Just want to see what that chrome looks like. Looks so sharp from what I've seen. Austin Hendrick, Nick Allen, Dax Fulton, Byron Laura. We've seen some names we haven't seen before yet. Zach Veen, Alec Thomas, Blake Walston, Jordan Adams, Jose Salas. We got a Mariner, Julio Rodriguez. Very nice. Jonathan B. This guy's a stud, man. This guy's a stud. That outfield is going to be ridiculous. Any day now. Any day now, Mariners. I think they're ready. Well, they were ready. Alright, second stack over here. Here we go. Heston. Paguero, Logan Davidson, Jarvis, Soderstrom, Gunnar Henderson, Braden Shoemake, Kate Cavalli, DL Hall, Alec Thomas. Man, we gotta get some more numbering here. Helio Ramos, Freddie Zamora, James Beard, Denso Reyes, Robert Pawson, Xavier Edwards, Larnick, Hamble, Byron Laura, and Perdomo. This is crazy how far we've gone without an Austin Martin. More than a box and a half. Manoa, Vaughn, and Maximo again. Braden Marsh, Wander, Nolan Jones, Callahan, Hassel, Kelnick, and Isaiah Green. Couple good base in that one. Maximo, good amount of him. There we go, there's a parallel. Tristan, Gray, Cabrera, Jordan Adams, Dax Fulton, Ed Howard, Soderstrom, Royce Lewis, De La Rosa, Cardinals, Jordan Walker, nice one. Dan B. Reed, Hendricks, Austin Hendrick, Ivan Johnson, Nolan Jones, Austin Wells, Jared Kelly, Nick Lodolo, Jordan Groshans, Seth Beer. We got a Philly, Luis Garcia. Very nice. Helio Ramos, Thompson, Emerson Hancock, Miguel Amaya, Clayton Beater, Montero, Callahan, Bryson Stott, Volpe. Got a Dodger, Josiah Gray. Garrick with his Dodgers. Oh, we still need something big here. We need something big. Something big. Martin, India, Logan Gilbert, Brett Beatty, Westberg, Romo, Junior Severino, Morel, Austin Wells, Lacey. That wasn't what I meant when I said big. Nice Bobby Witt. Blake Walston, see Chatham, Thompson. See a lot of the same names. Shane Baz, Nick Bitsko. There we go. Carson Tucker, Alexander Ramirez, another Blaze, and Max Meyer. This is our second Blaze base. Very nice. Bobby. What do we got? We got 4 packs left here. Nick Gonzalez, Dingler, Rutschman, Choi, Veen, Rutledge, Pete Crow, Hassel, Bryce Terang. We got a Fish. We got Max Meyer. Dan B. CJ Abrams. Gabriel Arias, nice. Brandon Marsh, Casey Martin, Matt Manning, Bobby Miller. There he is, Austin Martin. Finally, Blue Jays. Greg H. Spencer, here we go. Look at this pack. Simeon Woods and Casey Martin is the foil. Very nice. Glad we got to see Austin Martin's face at least. Took a while. Almost 2 full boxes. Oof. Spencer. Then we got my man Austin, who I thought was the best player in the draft. I really did. And I saw the Blue Jays got him, and I'm like, yo, how many infielders is this team going to have? But I'm sure they'll find a way to do something. Or who knows, by the time he comes up, who they'll be willing to part with. You never know. And there's Gabriel. All right, 2 left. Here we go. And strong. And strong. Like this yellow we got here. Josh Young, Kevin Alcantara, Carson Tucker, Eddie Diaz, Jarvis, Blasovich, Vital Bruin, Chatham, Riley Green. The yellow is going out to the D-backs. Seth Beer, 24/75. Mark N. Seth Beer. Another guy we should be seeing soon, right? If he's just not up yet. I don't get enough D-backs baseball. Alright, final pack. Good luck. We got a foil on the back. Let's make it count. Robinson, Shane Baz, D.L. Hall, Drew Romo. There's Robert Gilbert, Feliciano, Nick Bitsko, Brett Beatty, and it's a first ball, Kevin Alcantara, New York Yankees. Bam. Alright, give me another 30 seconds here to set up the hit recap for you guys. Foil, yellow, these guys. Foil. These guys. Foil. Blaze, blue. Okay, here's your base. Very light in the number department. And alright, so here we go, hit recap for box number 2, Bowman's first edition. Some of the bigger base, we had Austin Martin, Wander Franco, 2 of those. We had 2 Blaze Jordans. We had 2 Bobby Witts. We had 1 Gabriel Arias. We had 2 McBells. We had 2 Maximo Acostas. We had 2 Spencer Torkelsons, 1 Aaron Sabato, and 2 Dominguez. The sky blue foil, we got Yolbert Sanchez, Logan Davidson, Eddie Diaz, Oswald Peraza, Julio Rodriguez, Josiah Gray, Luis Garcia, Jordan Walker, Casey Martin, Max Meyer, Alvin Cantara, and nice Maximo Acosta there. And only 3 numbered ones in this box. We had 1 Wander Franco blue to 150, Jeremy De La Rosa to 150 for the Nats, and Seth Beer to 75 yellow going out to the D-backs. That's going to do it for the break, guys. Reminder, I'm putting up 3 more boxes tonight, and then we're breaking those next week. So see you guys then. Thanks.